Hey, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of microscopy. Ever wondered what's happening inside an onion cell? Well, today, we're going to show you how to make your own onion peel slide to observe under the microscope. Let's get started. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need an onion, a microscope, a glass slide, a cover slip, a dropper, a knife, and some water. Now, take your onion and peel off a thin layer. We're looking for a transparent membrane that separates the onion layers. Use your knife to carefully peel off a small, thin section. Be gentle to avoid damaging the cells. Place the thin onion peel on the center of your glass slide. Add a drop or two of water to the onion peel to prevent it from drying out during the observation. This will also help the cells stay intact for a clearer view under the microscope. Now, carefully place the cover slip over the onion peel. Gently lower it at an angle to avoid trapping air bubbles. The cover slip should sit flat and evenly on the slide. This step helps create a thin, uniform layer for better microscopy. Alright, it's the moment of truth. Let's head over to the microscope. Carefully place your prepared onion peel slide on the microscope stage, secure it in place, and start with the lowest magnification. Slowly increase the magnification to observe the onion cells in detail. Take your time to explore and make observations. You might see onion cells, cell walls, and maybe even the nucleus. It's incredible to witness the microscopic world within everyday objects. Don't forget to document what you see. Whether it's drawing sketches, taking notes, or snapping pictures through the microscope, recording your findings will make this scientific adventure even more memorable. And there you have it, folks, a DIY onion peel slide for your microscope exploration. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more science adventures, and hit that notification bell. Share your microscopic discoveries in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the tiny world of onion cells. Until next time, happy exploring. This is the Curious Cosmos signing off.